I'm Jen Shaw and I'm known as the Success Alchemist. Networking is a great way to promote your business, increase your contacts, and raise your profile in your community, leading to increased exposure and recognition, more referrals, and more clients. I know that networking can be scary for many people, and the thought of walking into a room full of people you don't know can make you feel like running a mile. The key to gaining confidence and getting results is to approach networking in the right way, and that's what I'm going to share with you here. How to network the right way to attract your ideal clients. Number 1, the right event. You can only find the right networking events if you know who your ideal client is. Create a client profile and value proposition for the products or services you offer, so you'll know who you want to meet and which network meetings are likely to be attended by your ideal client. To find networking events, go to meetup.com and search for meetups in your area. Ask your local contacts if they know of networking events in your area. Or contact your local Chamber of Commerce. If you haven't created your client profile and value proposition, contact me at thesuccessalchemist.net and I'll send you a couple of templates to make it easy for you. Number 2, the right people. Once you're at the networking event, make sure you speak to the right people. The right connection will naturally lead to more engagement and potentially to acquiring a new client. Number 3, the right intentions. Before the event, set clear intentions for the outcomes you want to achieve. For example, I want to connect with 5 people who fit my ideal client profile and are interested in my services, and for those who don't fit my profile, I will create potential referral partners. Number 4, the right branding. Develop a brand that gets attention and encapsulates your offering in a few words, whether it's your business name, a title for yourself, or the name of your product or service. Once you've developed a brand that feels right, I can guarantee you'll see a major increase in the number and quality of the connections you make. Number 5, the right message. Yes, you guessed it. This is about perfecting your elevator pitch, a short, precise description of what you do and for whom. Work on this before the event, so saying it comes naturally to you. Use a format that includes your name, your business name, and the outcome your ideal clients achieve as a result of your products or services. People are interested in results, not processes, and in benefits, not features. Remember that people buy with their emotions and back up their decision with logic, not the other way around. So if you can grab their attention with some juicy results and engage their emotions with the thought of what it would mean to them to achieve those results, you've got a winning combination. Number 6, the right business card. Just as you want to develop a brand that gets attention, you also want a business card that stands out from the crowd. One way is to include your photo on the card, a clear headshot so they'll recognize you immediately. Another way is to have a design that looks different and grabs their attention. Number 7, the right conversation. Many people go to networking events thinking they have to talk about themselves and everything they do, which can be a complete turn-off for the poor listener that they've backed into a corner. The best way to engage with someone at a networking event is to ask questions. Ask them what they do, about their business, their challenges, their ideal client, so you can tailor your conversation to respond to what they need. Or if it's not something you can provide, you may be able to connect them with people who can help them. Number 8, the right follow-up. So you've come away with a bunch of business cards. If you don't follow up with those connections, you've wasted your time at the networking event. Depending on the conversation you had at the networking event, you can choose whether to follow up by phone or email. Number 9, the right offer. Offer a free gift to get them on your mailing list. Offer to meet in person to find out more about each other. Number 10, the right outcome. Ideally, by approaching your networking in this way, you achieve your perfect outcome of signing up more customers or clients. However, not everyone is going to fit your client profile, or if they do, it may not be the right time for them to work with you. For those who don't fit your client profile, the outcome might be that you thank them for their connection and offer to refer people to their business. You can continue to build a relationship as referral partners, even if you're unlikely to do business with them. For those people who do fit your ideal client profile, continue with your client acquisition process to sign them up. And for those who decide not to go ahead immediately, ask them if you can keep in touch with them. No often means not now, rather than not ever. Follow this process and you will become a successful networker who builds great relationships, gets more clients, and becomes a valued member of the community with raving fans who send lots of referrals your way. And you'll have fun. Read the complete article on how to do business networking the right way at thesuccessalchemist.net, and you can find the exact link to the article in the description below.